there was travel.com.au in Koh Tao still. We just got our bikes this morning and we're about to go exploring. Not sure we're going to go first, maybe start off down at Shark Bay. But one thing I really want to do is visit Pirates Bay. Saw that on some other YouTube vids, so very keen to check that out. But we're just going to explore the island. So we'll take you along for the ride with us and we'll see what we can find. On the way to Pirate Bay. Ha-ha! Oh, Jeff Cass, was right. It's a bit rickety. Here we have it. Pirate Bay. Me mateys. Well, when we started out this morning, the sun was booming. It was really hot and humid. Now there's a fair bit of breeze. Black clouds have rolled in, but it's not too hot, huh? It's kind of alright in that breeze. But there's very little blue sky up there now, which kind of sucks. It's a great little spot around here. There are bungalows right on the water, pretty much the whole way around this bay.
Even up the rocks there as well.
Yeah, other side of the bay there. This one's built into the cliff face. On this side of the bay, they're pretty much all around the beach area. Very relaxing spot. And the way to get here is down a little tiny side alley next to 7-Eleven. Well, that was us at Pirate Bay. It doesn't look quite as impressive or as piratey as what I remember it in the other videos that I've seen. I guess maybe it was high tide. The water was probably looking a little bit more blue than it is today. Although when it's overcast, water always looks a bit less impressive when the blue sky is reflecting, I guess. But and the mast is exposed out of the water now as well because it's fairly low tide. But we went for a drone shot and Tracy found what looks to be an X, massive X in the water. I don't know whether it's just the way the channel lines up, but it is a distinctive X mark. I don't know if it's specifically made like that or if it's coincidental that there's an X marks the spot at Pirate Bay. Either way, it's pretty cool though. Right, back to the rickety old bridge that leads to Pirate Bay. And then we're going to go off to another spot. No idea where. We've just got the bikes and we're going to go exploring. See if we can find some other cool spots like this. Trying the fish out. We've got to walk back through this restaurant, so to take the shoes off, be respectful to the Thai people. Yeah, back over the big long walkway. A dive centre right here. I don't know if that's where they spotted the whale sharks, but I know there is a shark bay. Now you get them around here. And we're almost back at the bikes. It's only about 50 metres walk down there. And it's probably another 100 metres or so up this dirt track back up to 7-Eleven, which is on the main street there. But if you come to Koh Tao and you're trying to find this place, it is in the bottom town. There's 3 main towns on the island: the north, the middle, and the south. And this one is on the south town. So find 7-Eleven on the main street in the south town, and right next to it, find the 7-Eleven in the southern town in the middle of the street there, and right next door to it is a little alleyway. So you go straight down that little alleyway and just follow it down here. You'll see this spot here. You can see it's blocked off here, and there's bike parking. So you just park up your bike here, grab your gear, and where that little pole is there with JC standing, walk down that path about 50 metres, and you'll see that big jetty, pontoon, whatever you want to call it, pier that you have to walk across, and you're there. Holy hell, well, it certainly has turned into a belter today. It was so overcast before, it made it kind of cool, but man, it's probably only half sun shining and the rest still really overcast, but damn. We're heading to the Nang Yuan Terrace Viewpoint. This road, probably can't see very good here, but well, it's a very, very steep road. No bikes down this way, so we had to park up the top there. Quick, go hold the rock up. Do actually drive down here. Not actually sure. Down this way, I think. So it says the terrace is this way. So, assuming we're going the right way. Whole series of long, windy paths. That way or this way? Must be it down here. How about that? A little Lover's Cove out there on that platform, and you can go all the way down to the water down there. But I think we're going to have a drink in the shade first. And you can go all the way down there to the rocks, and then out there is Nang Yuan. I need you more. Heading to the viewpoint now. Have a look at this. Nang Yuan Islands. Means 3 islands, all interconnected by one tiny little white sandy beach. The water here is so clear. Viewpoint. Drones in the air. Let's see what shots we can get. Are you high enough behind us? Whoa, that's a bit too far. See that? He's got a busted flagger. Well, that was Nang Yuan Viewpoint done and dusted. Now for the easy part, going back down. I think it's definitely swim time when we get to the bottom. So, show. Sunset, Nang Yuan,
Koh Tao.